Today in this video we will learn about how to solve Nginx Error 502 bad gateway. This type of error can be solved via two methods. Method 1. Log into PuTTY and then use this command. Method 2. Restart Apache via WHM. Once you have restarted Apache, you will find that this problem is resolved.